Okay, so we are leaving now. It is our last day here. We're checking out. We just packed up all our stuff. I'm really going to miss this. It's so pretty. I wish I could take it back with me, but I can't. But what I will be taking back with me is the snow. It is snowing now, but apparently it's already snowing in New York, so yay. But it's very pretty and very happy to be going home, but also sad because it's so pretty here. I wish we could just move it down like this, just a little bit closer to the city, so that I could visit, but then I could enjoy my actual decorations at home because I love them. So, but yeah, so that's it. We're leaving. And oh, I forgot to close out the vlog last night. Sorry about that. But yeah. Oh, goodbye. Look at the snow. This place is so beautiful. I'm gonna be really sad to leave it, but oh, we're going home. It's snowing. Alright, I'm going in. So we're out looking for our Christmas ornament before we leave from here. And it's snowing and it's beautiful. We got our ornament, and my camera's all wet because of the snow. It's so Christmassy, but we got a little, oh, you can't see it because there you go. So we are set. We're gonna head home, even though I'm hungry. Joe doesn't want to feed me. How beautiful it is. I love it. Okay, so since Joe won't let me eat, I'm just kidding. Now we're gonna find someplace somewhere along the way. But I'm hungry, so I'm gonna snack on these little sea salt chocolates from Peace, Love, and Chocolate. So if you are ever in Stockbridge, check them out. Their chocolate is amazing. Driver. Well, I'm not driving, but nervous passenger. Joe knows. So he's trying to go slowly through the snow. It's really pretty. Just, you know. My life. Become a game. Okay, this is probably the 10th Christmas tree. I think we're gonna start turning it into a game. How many Christmas trees we see on top of a car today in this ridiculous snow. These people are nuts. And they are your Christmas. Tonight Mr. Q50 in front of us, what are you working on over here? So, as much as I am obsessing over this snow, I'm starved and we haven't seen any food on the road. So hopefully we just pulled over for gas. We'll find something to eat by this gas station. So I'm hoping also we might get to play in the snow later, but I'm gonna have to change when we get home because Uggs and yoga pants are not quite, I mean, yes, great for travel because they're cozy, but not for life or snow. Anyways, look at all this snow. It's insane. But we're about an hour or so out. Plus if we eat, which I really hope we do because I'm so hungry. And those little chocolate things did not hold me over. Well, they did okay for like a minute, but there's only so much chocolate I can eat right now when I have nothing in my stomach. So, yeah. I want to play in the snow. So, we're gonna have to change, and maybe we'll drive over to Tiger Heights or something and look at the Christmas lights. Oh my goodness. Oh baby, look how much snow. Ready to get out so we can eat? Whoa. Jeez, Joe. Okay, so we just ate at Yard House and it is snowing hard, but we're full. Finally have been fed, and now we can go home, and we're about an hour away. So we're gonna get cozy, and then we're gonna play in the snow. Stop sliding everywhere. Woo! Oh, okay, I'm sliding on my own now. Okay. Christmas Day. Yay! It is completely white. Can't see anything. Is there a radar down there? I don't know. I don't see one. Okay, and we're home. I probably just made you dizzy. Sorry. But anyways, we're home, and I'm going to go to the store and pick up some chocolate chips and some whipped cream so I can make hot chocolate and chocolate chip cookies. So, yeah. But I think we're gonna take them to Joe's parents because they're decorating their tree, so I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so time for chocolate chip cookies. Is 1 cup of sugar, half of a cup of brown sugar. So I'm going to do a stick and a half of butter, or 3/4 of a cup. I'm just gonna let this mix up a little bit. camera cut out and I don't know when or where, so I did half a cup of milk and I'm doing 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. So I'm going to use 1 egg. So your consistency should be something like this. 2.5 cups of flour. So now, I'm gonna take half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now we're gonna mix that up. And then I'm just gonna add 2 cups of chocolate chips. Or a bag of chocolate chips. Just put this off. Mix it up. I should have got smaller chips. Huge. But that's okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna pop this in the freezer for like 10-15 minutes just to chill it for a little bit, and then I'm gonna put it in the oven. I don't know if I'll make the whole batch, but if I don't, I can put it in the freezer and cook it up another time. I'm having some color issues, but cookies are done. I realized I forgot parchment paper, which would have made them bake a little bit better. They're like a golden brown on this side, which, there you go, kind of see that. But they're delicious. I'm going to edit yesterday's vlog because I have not done that yet. And I'm going to maybe make some hot chocolate. Sorry, I like flipped you guys off. Didn't mean it. But okay. I have to charge my camera, so I'm gonna edit and I will see you later. Okay, so I just wanted to end the vlog. I uploaded my most recent vlog, so yesterday's vlog, just now, and yeah, we finished some cookies, we watched TV, and now I'm going to go to sleep. But before I do, I just kind of wanted to close this off and by going a little full circle with you guys and showing you this, the ornament that we got from our trip, now placed on our tree. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.